Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect WordPress to the Google Search Console with an HTML tag and verify your ownership. So let's get right into it. Now, even though we might not be using this in this tutorial, I do recommend you install the Google Sitekit plugin, which you can locate by going to the plugins marketplace and then go over and search for the Sitekit. Now, the Sitekit is an official Google plugin, which you can freely use if you have the business plan or above, which I do not have. So I'll go over into an article to explain to you guys how to do it from there. But this includes analytics, the Search Console, AdSense, and speed. So I do recommend you install it for future problems you might have. Now, what you need to do to verify with an HTML tag, go into the Search Console, create an account if you don't already, but once you log into your account, click on Add Property, then select URL prefix and enter your URL for your WordPress site by just entering the HTTPS. Then after that, ignore the www and just everything after www goes into the URL. Once you're done with that, click Continue and then click on Verify Site Ownership. And then you need to scroll down and click on HTML tag. This is what the HTML tag looks like. So just click copy on that. And then you're going to be going over back into your WordPress site. You need to go either into Tools and Marketing if you're using the standard view. If you're using the WordPress admin view, go into Jetpack and Settings. From here, click on Traffic, then on Site Verification Services, and locate the Google box. Paste your HTML tag here and click Save Settings, and that is pretty much it. Then you can go back into the Search Console, click Verify, and that should be it. Now, if you have any other way of adding the Google tag or the HTML tag into your site, it goes before the body section and in the first head section. So that is what you need to do if you can edit it manually and you can't use this. But that is pretty much all you need to do. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.